My name is Sarah. I'm 28 years old, and I live in a small, cozy apartment in the heart of the city. I'm a simple person, and I love finding joy in the little things. Today, I'll tell you all about my day, from the moment I wake up until I drift off to sleep. So let's start from the beginning. Every morning, my alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m. It's loud and a little annoying, but I know it's time to wake up. I slowly open my eyes and take a deep breath. "Good morning, Sarah," I say to myself, trying to feel excited about the day ahead. I sit up, stretch my arms wide, and yawn. The air feels cool and fresh. The first thing I do is walk to the window. I pull back the curtains, and bright sunlight streams in. Outside, I can see people walking, some with their coffee cups, and a few kids going to school. I smile and think, it's a new day, and anything can happen. Now it's time for breakfast. I walk to my little kitchen where I feel happiest. The first thing I do is make a fresh cup of coffee. The smell fills the air, warm and comforting. I pour some milk into my coffee and watch as it mixes in, turning a lovely light brown. For breakfast, I usually keep it simple. Today, I decide on 2 slices of toast with butter and a banana. As I take a bite, I think, this is perfect. Sometimes, I'll add a little jam if I'm in the mood for something sweet. I sit at my small kitchen table, sipping my coffee slowly, and enjoy this peaceful time to myself. After breakfast, I head to the bathroom. I brush my teeth until they feel clean and fresh. Then I splash cool water on my face, which always wakes me up. I look in the mirror and smile, saying, "Today is going to be a great day, Sarah." Next, I go to my closet and pick out my clothes for the day. I love choosing outfits that make me feel good. Today, I pick a light blue blouse and a pair of comfortable black pants. I feel confident and happy with my choice. I grab my bag, put on my shoes, and head out the door. The city is alive with people, cars, and sounds. I love the energy of the morning. It's like the world is waking up with me. As I walk, I see a cute little dog walking with its owner. I can't help but smile and wave at the dog. "Hi, little buddy," I whisper. My walk to work is about 15 minutes, and I enjoy every minute of it. I pass by a bakery where the smell of fresh bread fills the air. I take a deep breath and think, one day, I'll treat myself to a pastry. When I arrive at work, I see my friend and coworker, Emily. She's sitting at her desk, sipping her coffee and smiling. "Good morning, Sarah," she says cheerfully. "Good morning, Emily," I reply. We chat a little about our weekend plans and laugh at a few funny stories. Then it's time to start working. I sit at my desk, take a deep breath, and focus on my tasks for the day. I like my job because every day feels like a new challenge, and I get to work with amazing people. At noon, the bell for lunch rings. I feel excited because lunchtime is my favorite part of the day. I grab my bag and meet Emily, and we head to our favorite little cafe. Today, I order a chicken sandwich and a fresh orange juice. Emily orders the same, and we sit by the window watching people walk by. Emily and I talk about everything: movies, weekend plans, and even a little gossip. She always makes me laugh. As we eat, I feel grateful for moments like these. Simple, happy moments with good food and a good friend. After lunch, I feel refreshed and ready to finish my work. The afternoon goes by quickly. I type on my computer, answer emails, and help my team with a few projects. Sometimes work can be stressful, but I remind myself to take deep breaths and stay calm. My motto is, one task at a time. At 5 p.m., it's time to go home. I wave goodbye to everyone and step outside. The city is just as lively in the evening as it was in the morning. I walk home, enjoying the cool breeze and thinking about what I'll do in the evening. When I get home, I change into my cozy clothes. An old, soft sweater and some comfy pants. I feel instantly relaxed. For dinner, I decide to make pasta with a little cheese and some vegetables. I chop, stir, and cook while listening to my favorite music. Soon the kitchen smells delicious. After dinner, I sit on my couch with a cozy blanket and a warm cup of tea. I scroll through my phone for a bit, looking at photos and chatting with friends. Then I decide to read a book. I pick up a story about adventure and travel. It's my favorite kind of story because it lets me dream. Before I go to bed, I like to think about the best parts of my day. I smile as I remember my lunch with Emily, the cute dog I saw on my walk, and the peaceful morning with my coffee. I feel grateful for these small, happy moments. Finally, it's time to sleep. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get into bed. I turn off the lights, close my eyes, and think, tomorrow is a new day, full of new possibilities. With that happy thought, I drift off to sleep, feeling content and peaceful.